In this video, I will show you how to draw a cute box from shapes. We will start by drawing and joining two squares together.
And chores galore, but a little fun time who could ignore, so he takes a break to jump and run. Playing with friends is so much fun. All work, no play makes Jack a dull boy, but when he plays he's filled with joy. All work, no play makes Jack a dull boy, but now he plays and life's a joy. Jack's got homework and chores galore, but a little fun time who could ignore, so he takes a break to jump and run. Playing with friends is so much fun. All work, no play makes Jack a dull boy, but
Wow, this is a cute drawing.
joy. All work, no play makes Jack a dull boy, but now he plays and life's a joy.
Jack's got homework and chores galore, but a little fun time he could ignore, so he takes a break to jump and run. Playing with friends is so much fun. All work, no play makes Jack a dull boy, but wild when he plays, and life's a joy. Fun. All work, no play makes Jack a dull boy, but now he plays, and life's a joy. Jack's got homework and chores galore, but a little fun time who could ignore, so he takes a break to jump and run. Playing with friends is so much fun. All work, no play makes Jack a dull boy, but wild when he plays, and life's a joy.
This needs to be colored.
All work, no play makes Jack a dull boy, but now he plays, and life's a joy. Jack's got homework and chores galore, but a little fun time who could ignore, so he takes a break to jump and run. Playing with friends is so much fun. All work, no play makes Jack a dull boy, but wild when he plays, and life's a joy. Fun. All work, no play makes Jack a dull boy, but now he plays, and life's a joy. Jack's got homework and chores galore, but a little fun time who could ignore, so he takes a break to jump and run. Playing with friends is so much fun. All work, no play makes Jack a dull boy, but wild when he plays, and life's a joy. Fun. All work, no play makes Jack a dull boy, but now he plays, and life's a joy.
Now, you have known how to draw a box. Congratulations!
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.